up guys? Back to you again with another 10-minute workout video. On this video right here, we're gonna focus on cardio. We wanna sit up and try to get rid of all the fat in our midsection and all around our body. So that's the main thing that we're gonna focus on. The body loves to prioritize carbohydrates before we get to the fat. So you know we need to add cardio into our routine. We just need to do that. So on this video right here, we don't have no equipment, none of the dumbbells this time. It's just you, me, and our floors. So get ready to burn this fat. So this first exercise, like I said, we're about to get into is butt kicks. So just take your time. We're about to step up into this. Like I said, if you need to slow down, just slow down. But let's just get into it. Let's go. Okay guys, this next exercise is burpees with a jump. If you can't do the jump, just do the burpees. And if you have a hard time doing the burpees, just step into them. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Burpees ain't no joke. All right, the next exercise, guys, is jumping jacks. So this is kind of, a little easier than the burpees, but it still keep our heart rate up. Let's get into it. Next exercise, guys, is switching lunges. We'll sit up, get ourselves together. If it's too hard to jump with it, just walk it out. Other than that, we get into it. 5 seconds. Whew. Okay, our next exercise is squat taps. So it's a little too hard, like I said, just walk it out at the beginning. But other than that, we want to explode into this. So we're going to get in our feet shoulder length position, and we just want to tap with it. next exercise is switching mountain climbers. So we're about to get down. Go at a pace that you cool with and that you like. Because the speed don't matter. Just get into it. Let's go. Okay guys, so this next exercise is gonna be high knees. Kind of getting started, medium knees. Just get the knees as high as you can. We're about to get into this. So just take your time and pace yourself. Okay guys, the next exercise is going to be seated in and out. Let's go. So our next exercise is going to be seated leg flutters. Let's go. Okay guys, let's catch our breath. Okay, we're gonna go on the bicycles and this is the last exercise. You know what I'm saying? So just take your time with this and let's go. Another one in the books. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep at it. We're gonna keep working out. You know what I'm saying? Because life always try to happen. Sometimes you just want to just give life that finger. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna stay at it. We're gonna stay at it. We're gonna stay at it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, this was a great workout. Look at us, we're feeling good. I know you're looking lean over there. You know what I'm saying? And this is how we wanna be all day, every day. We're gonna get in shape and we gonna stay in shape. We're gonna stay focused on our goals and we are going to stay consistent this time. I'm gonna be uploading videos every week. Let life happen. If it ain't Friday, it's gonna be Saturday or it's gonna be Thursday, because life like to slide in. And we tired of that. It ain't gonna mess our stuff up. So thank you guys for working out with me. We're here together. And one thing I know is we can do anything together.